Hey, Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man. So today I am making some homemade Chinese food. I went and got these viral sticks again. I have mushrooms. I noticed that war maintenance love got to get on that. But we have whole grain rice. I didn't want to do the white rice and I wanted a small portion. I got coconut flour. Okay, sis, we know we need to fix that. Don't worry about that right now. I also had got some coconut milk with the coconut flour because I wanted to do something like try to make the chicken crispy, see how that plays out. Then I have my frozen mixed vegetables. I'm cooking with parsley, onion, and then I got this teriyaki sauce for my chicken, which was really delicious. Then I also have some bean sprouts, some little tiny baby corns for my rice. You all know we have the organic chicken that I will be using for my chicken fried rice and for my side of chicken and egg rolls. Also got some beef broth just in case. I have bamboo shots. I think that's made out of bamboo wood. If it is, bamboo wood is really good. I do have a red onion here as well. And I have some thyme and parsley, rosemary that I cooked everything with. And then I also have my egg roll wrappers here. So these were really good. I had the strawberry kind. I think I like the strawberry a little bit better. Now let's get into me trying to get this chicken together. So after I seasoned my chicken with the garlic and parsley, I just chopped it up. I had a side for like my egg rolls, a side that I would eat, and a side for my rice. That coconut flour smelled so delicious. I love that coconut flour. I got it from the dollar store, and this coconut milk. These are two ingredients that I think I'll just buy. So I tried to do what I be seeing people doing, like dip it in a wet batter, then a dry batter. And I really was like, okay. It looked like it worked. When I see people doing this, they like do it twice. I didn't want to, but I was like, okay, let me do what I see them doing. So let's go ahead and dip again. The milk was very delicious by itself, and the flour had a really nice smell. So now if I have to use like a flour, I will definitely be using like a coconut flour or almond flour. But after I breaded this chicken, I seen how coated it was. So I was like, okay, I think we did it. Turn up. I think we did it. Yeah. So I end up dropping it in the grease. It did get a nice golden brown color. And this is just the rest of them after I seasoned them up. For the most part, they did fry pretty good. I fried them in some coconut oil as well. Then I tried to make a ice cream pie. Usually my mom, when she would make the ice cream pie, she would use a French vanilla ice cream, Carol syrup, peanut butter. You'll let the ice cream get soft. You'll mix that all up, then put it in a graham cracker crust. But me, I done messed it up, honey, but it was still good. So this is the end result of everything. It was super delicious. And of course, I have my prune juice in the back. Now, the next day, I had some leftover ingredients, so I made a pesto chicken. I cooked down some tomatoes with the pesto sauce, added some spinach, and then I did like a pesto chicken egg wrap or egg rolls. They were really delicious, so I had like mushrooms, bean sprouts, the red onion, and then that chicken pesto mix was super delicious. So for my leftover meal the next day, I just had the leftover rice. And then I had those chicken pesto egg rolls. I absolutely love that you can cook anything with those egg rolls. I have prune juice and apple cider vinegar water. And yeah, I had a really nice time making this. I'm not looking forward to continuing to eat chicken in 2024 or in general. Chicken has a lot of mucus, so that's why I'm over here like this now. But I'm going to cut chicken out of my diet. But I did want some Chinese food before then. So I enjoyed this meal. Alexis loves you. Mwah.